We have this interesting question from logarithms. Let's see how we can solve this. So first of all, in the first step, we will be writing this root 7 in a different way. Let's see how. We will write it as log base 7 log base 7 under root 7 under root 7. This root 7 will be written as times 7 raised to power half. Yes, because root 7 is nothing but 7 raised to power half. Now after this we will be using one exponent rule that says a raised to power m times a raised to power n gives us a raised to power m plus n. Correct? When the base is same and the two numbers are multiplied, powers gets added. Yes? So we will be doing this thing here. Here the power of this 7 is 1. Yes? So if we use this rule, we will get log base 7 log base 7 under root 7 under root 7 raised to power 3 by 2. Correct? Because 7 raised to power 1 times 7 raised to power 1 by 2 will give us 7 raised to power 1 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 7 raised to power 3 by 2. Correct? Now, let's see what we will be doing in the next step. In the next step, we will remove this square root. Yes, we will remove this square root and let's see what we will get. Log base 7 log base 7 under root 7 times, if we remove this square root, we will get 7 3 by 2 raised to power half. Correct? Because under root means power is half. Now we will be using one exponent rule which is different from this rule. That rule says a raised to power m raised to power n. When this is the condition, m and n gets multiplied. Yes. Now if you look carefully, this rule can be applied on this 7. Correct? So let's apply this rule. Log base 7 log base 7 under root 7 times, this will become 3 by 2 times half. Correct? So as I told you, we are using this rule. If we multiply this, we will get 7 raised to power 3 by 4. Correct? 7 raised to power 3 by 4. Let's see what we need to do in the next step. In the next step, if you look carefully, the power of this 7 is 1. Correct? Now again, you can see that the 7s are multiplied and the powers are different. So what happens in this case? The powers get added the way we did in this first step. Correct? So let's do it again. Log base 7 log base 7 square root 7 raised to power 1 plus 3 by 4. Correct? Now let's solve this further. Log base 7 log base 7. We will get under root 7 raised to power 7 by 4. Now we will be removing the square root. What will happen if we remove the square root? Let's see. We will get log base 7 log base 7 7 raised to power 7 by 4 times 1 by 2. Correct? Now these powers will be multiplied. Yes? So let's do it. Log 7 log 7, we will get 7 raised to power 7 by 8. Correct? Now using the rules of logarithms, this power will come over here. Correct? And let's see what we will get. We will get log 7 7 by 8 log base 7 and 7. Now what is log base 7 and 7? This will become 1. Correct? So let's write it down. We will get log 7, 7 by 8. As this is 1, there is no need to write it. Correct. Now, we can further simplify this. We can rewrite it as log base 7, 7 minus log base 7, 8. Correct. Now, as a log base 7, 7 was 1, same thing will happen here. This will become 1. Correct. So, let's write it down. So, this will be written as 1 minus log 7. Now, this 8 can be written in a different way. This can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Correct. Now, this power 3 will come over here. So, the most simplified form of this answer will be 1 minus 3 log base 7, 2. This will be the most simplified form of this question.